Okay, in today's video I'm gonna tell you about that everybody is dreaming about making money. So today I'm gonna give you a very easy tip about how to make money online by just uploading videos and photos. Is this possible? Yes, it is. So just follow with me step by step and you can apply this after the video. Okay, first, if you're using your phone or just your laptop, so both can work, don't worry. Okay, I'm just using my laptop because it's easier. So first you're gonna go to Google and just type upload. That's the website that we'll be working on. You're going to choose the first search. Okay, this is the website that we are actually targeting. The first thing that you need to know is to sign up for this website. It won't take more than 1 minute, just your username, your password, your email, to confirm your password. Okay, but here's an advice. I would recommend that you just create an email just for this or for these accounts that you can earn money from online. Because if you're using your usual email, these websites actually sends a lot of notifications and recommendations and advice to your email. So you might lose your important emails while a lot of emails are sending to you. So I created actually another email, so I'm just with this email now. But before we complete, subscribe in the channel and hit the notification bell. After the registration, here you can see that upload files. Okay, where can we get those free pictures and videos? Because you know, if you are on YouTube or even uploading any of those pictures on YouTube or any website, those pictures and videos should be free because of the copyright. So we need to find free videos to download and also free photos to download. So let's see, where should we get them from? There are other two websites that we can get those pictures and videos from. Okay, the first one is called Pixabay. This is the first one. And the second one is called Pixels. Those two websites are just, we can download free videos and free pictures. Let's see how can we do that. Okay, I'll try the first website, Pixels. In Pixels you can download pictures and videos. Okay, let's just, for example, type any word. Let's type the word money and see what we can get in the search. Okay, all these pictures, some of them are pictures, some of them are videos. So if you just click on any of those, make sure that it's free to download. Free to download. So I would download this picture. And now I have it saved. Okay, I'm also going to try the second website, which is Pixabay. Pixabay is also another website that you can download photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, and even music for free. So for example, I'm going to write cooking. Okay, also here I have many pictures here that can be downloaded. Okay, if I would choose this one, I also have to make sure that it's free to download. Okay, I would click on that, and here's an advice that when you download a picture from Pixabay, it should not be less than 1920 times 1275. And then I'm going to click download, and I'm going to assure that I'm not a robot. And then download. So here I have my two pictures downloaded from two different websites. Okay, back again to the first website that I had. and I'm going to click upload files. Okay, just scroll down a little bit, and here we go. Drag or drop the picture or the video. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to browse where was the picture. So here's the pasta, which was the cooking picture. Okay, and now I need to click start uploading. By the way, this website is really fast in uploading the pictures, really fast. Okay, now here you go. This is a very important step. Here you got a direct link of your picture that you uploaded. Now this link is going to be in your page, in your account. Whoever is going to download your picture from this link, in that case, you're going to earn money. Okay, I'm going to do that again for the other picture that we made. I'm scrolling down, clicking here, and I'm using the money picture, which was this one, and then again start to upload it. As you see, it's uploading now. The speed of the uploading is really good. It doesn't take more than a minute. Okay, we're almost done. And here now, the link again is going to show. So here I got the link for the money picture and the cooking picture. So again, whoever is going to download this, the website is giving you money for that. Of course, the more pictures and videos you upload, the more money you make. So here I just started this a couple of seconds ago, so I uploaded like 4 or 5 pictures just for the demo to do this video. I hope you would try this video to earn money online. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe in the channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much, and see you in another video.